Okay, I'm not sure how it's going to turn out with the lights and everything, but anyway, this is the Magic Man product that basically takes your turn signals and makes additional running lights out of it. So check it out. Hey, what's up?
Hey, how's it now?
I'm actually doing a video of it right now.
Does it work okay now?
So you're going to be on the video as I'm doing it. I got you on speakerphone here. Okay, guys, there's the left signal. There's the right signal. Works great, man. Looks awesome.
Yeah, I told you the cam box is very picky. You have to have the load exactly right.
Yep. So now it's a brake light too. Yeah, man, I'm happy. It looks great.
I like the brightness of those bad boys.
Oh man, they look awesome.
Good light. All right, I'm glad you got it, buddy.
Yeah.